Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Accelerate 2025. Thank you all for joining us today. And I want to extend a special welcome to our overseas guests who have traveled from as far as Tokyo, Singapore, London, Frankfurt, New York, and yes, even those of you who have made the arduous journey from the other side of the Harbour Bridge. We are delighted you are here with us today. And before we begin, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land. While Nuix is celebrating 25 years, which is respectable innings in the tech world, it's humbling to remember that we stand on the land that contains billions of years of history and that we live with the world's oldest civilization. I'd like to pay my deep respects to the elders past and present and thank them for sharing this land with us today. 2025, what a ride it's been. The confluence of politics, business, technology has created seismic change globally. The ground beneath our feet feels mercurial. We've witnessed unprecedented shifts in global leadership, economic realignments that have reshaped entire industries, and geopolitical tensions that continue to evolve day by day. And if we think the pace of change in geopolitics has been rapid, the change in the world of technology is nothing but breathtaking. We are truly at one of the greatest inflection points in technology. AI is set to dwarf the impact of social media or the internet. It certainly is surpassing the time to impact. We're seeing productivity gains that previously took decades to achieve happening in mere months. Entire industries are being reimagined. New job categories are emerging faster than we can define them. Less than 2 years ago, AI was seen as a curiosity, a new search tool, not a fundamental in all enterprise system architecture. Last year, on a similar stage, I debated the ethics of AI with thoughtful caution. This year, I stand before you converted. We at Nuix have gone all in on AI, and I want to tell you why. It started with a simple realization. AI isn't coming to disrupt us. It's here to empower us. At Nuix, we've embraced this reality with 3 core principles. We embrace AI in our product, we embed AI in our process throughout our business, and we empower our people with AI. In the last year, we've seen an acceleration of the number of customers who have adopted to the Nuix Neo, both new and existing customers. Each time I hear about how you are using Nuix to expedite your work, ease the load on your people, I'm both awed and humbled. Here's a small snapshot of what some of you have had to say about Nuix.
My name's Dan Regard. I'm the founder and CEO of iDiscovery Solutions, and I am also a client of Nuix. IDS is a professional services and expert witness firm. We use Nuix to give us world-class capacity. I met Nuix 10 years ago working on a large project, 10,000 custodians, 240 terabytes of data, and Nuix was the only tool that could help us accomplish that. But even then, it took 2.5 years. Fast forward to today. Last month, we did 40 terabytes of data in 2 weeks. Only Nuix could have helped us do this.
Nuix has played a key supporting role in our forensic investigations, legal response and regulatory matters here at NBN since 2013. The platform has consistently helped enable us to transform large volumes of unstructured data into actionable insights, helping us meet tight production deadlines and streamlining our reporting workflows. It's also helped improve our efficiency in handling complex cases, and it remains a core part of our investigative and analytics toolkit.
Hello, my name is Keith Mulvey and I am Director of Internal Audit in AIRB, the largest telecommunications company in Ireland. I've been a customer with Nuix for over 12 years now. Nuix has been instrumental for us in transforming our approach to internal audit fieldwork, our internal investigations and DSAR processes. Its evolution in functionality has kept pace with the growing complexity of data, enabling us to reduce over 80% of irrelevant content during e-discovery.
We've been working with Nuix for just over a year now. It's really enabled our people to efficiently apply and tailor automated redaction workflows at scale across the organisation to make sure that we can protect sensitive information while maintaining operational agility. It's really provided us with an automated solution to scale as we grow the business, and it's provided us with what we call the best-in-class solution to manage our overall data governance and data privacy obligations.
Nuix is the only platform we found that allows us to unify our three areas of expertise: digital forensics, enterprise databases, and messaging platforms, so we can help across the spectrum of e-discovery. Now with Neo, we have the power of AI to help our own work product become faster, cleaner, and more professional.
The power of the Nuix engine, which is the heart of the Nuix Neo platform, is unparalleled. Invested with 25 years of R&D and more than 100 iterative engineering cycles, the heart of Nuix Neo has kept pace with the rapid change in technology and the breathtaking growth in data volumes. Long before the advent of AI, we understood the value of making sense of unstructured data, the very data that's blocking many organizations' ability to join the AI revolution. Last year, we spoke about ethical AI in our product and the enhanced capabilities in semantic search. Today, I want to dive deeper into what we've built, because these aren't just features, they're the foundation of something much bigger. Number one, we embrace AI in our product. Our COG AI, or our cognitive AI, represents a fundamentally different approach to AI in the e-discovery, enterprise data, and investigation space. While many AI solutions operate as black boxes, giving you answers without explaining how they arrived at them, COG AI is based on the foundation of explainability and trust. Think about it. Whether you're building a case for prosecution, defending your organization in litigation, or investigating potential fraud, you can't afford to rely on AI that can't explain its reasoning. COG AI doesn't tell you that two documents are related, it shows you why. It doesn't just flag suspicious communications, it walks you through the contextual clues that triggered the alert. This explainability isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's essential for legal defensibility. When you're in a courtroom or a boardroom, you need to be able to articulate not just what the AI found, but how it found it. COG AI provides that transparency, giving you the confidence to act on AI-generated insights. But explainability means nothing without accuracy. COG AI goes beyond simple keyword matching to understand context, nuance, and meaning. It can recognize that the word bank refers to a financial institution versus a side of a river. It understands that "that was sick" in a text message from a teenager probably means something that was awesome, not that someone was ill. Now, I know that some of you are thinking, Jonathan, we've already invested heavily in our own AI capabilities. We have enterprise agreements with major AI providers. How does that work with what we've already built? And that's exactly why we've developed our own BYO AI capability. Bring your own AI. We recognize that many of you have made significant investments in AI technology. You've trained models on your specific data, you've integrated AI into your existing workflows, and you've built expertise around particular AI platforms. And we don't want to replace that. We want to amplify it. BYO AI allows you to integrate your preferred AI tools directly into the Neo platform. Whether you're using Microsoft Azure, or a Google Vertex AI, or Amazon Bedrock, or your own custom models, our platform can seamlessly incorporate your AI capabilities into our workflows. This means that you get the best of both worlds: the power and flexibility of Nuix's data processing automation and orchestration capabilities, combined with the AI tools that you know and trust. Your data scientist can continue working with familiar tools, while your investigators, your legal teams can benefit from AI-enhanced insights within the Nuix environment they rely on. But with great power comes great responsibility. The work you do with Nuix technology has real-world consequences. Lives can be changed, reputations can be made or destroyed, and justice can be served or denied based on the insights our technology provides. That's why we've embedded ethical principles into every aspect of our AI development. We've implemented bias detection and mitigation protocols. We maintain human oversight requirements for critical decisions. We provide audit trails for every AI-assisted action, ensuring accountability and transparency. Our AI doesn't make decisions, it empowers humans to make better decisions. It doesn't replace expertise, it amplifies it. It doesn't eliminate the need for human judgment, it provides the tools to make that judgment more informed and more accurate. These weren't just features, they were the foundation of something much bigger. So number one, we embed AI in our processes. So some of you may know Ray Kurzweil. He wrote a book called The Singularity and the Bridging of Human Intelligence with Technology. Well, I decided to introduce the Jonathan Rubinsztein concept of HB squared, which is human brain boosted by AI. HB squared is our own strategic initiative to integrate AI capabilities right across Nuix, with the goal of enhancing every decision we make, big and small. This isn't about replacing human judgment. It's about augmenting our collective intelligence to make Nuix more competitive and effective. In order to truly embrace AI, you need to understand your enterprise data set. And that's exactly what we've had to do. A phenomenon I like to call eating your own dog food. But understanding, finding, redacting, and deduping data, that's exactly what we've been doing for the last 25 years. And now we are productizing in our own Nuix Neo AI Data Curator, and you'll hear much more about that later from our field CTO, Stephen Stewart, and our Chief Product Officer, Ani Bhattacharya. We use AI to help write code, to perform in-house contract analysis, to build interview questions, to enhance our responses to your RFPs, and to scale the production of our marketing. We use it to expand our thinking by challenging and critiquing our own status quo, and by using it to represent you, our customer. We use it to compress time and budgets while doubling down on the things that matter. From the boardroom to the belly of our company in engineering, we use AI to make the whole of Nuix faster, smarter, and more agile. Number two, we empower our people with AI. We're throwing the heart and soul into AI, and we've thrown the heart and soul of our company, our people, straight into the deep end of AI. In the space of just 8 weeks, we trained over 400 people on our own proprietary AI tool, NuixQ, and all hands are on the tools, nurturing and exercising our model. We started with the leadership team because, well, we knew it would take us the longest to onboard. Then we cascaded to our next level of leadership, and we released it to the entire organization, who have embraced it with incredible appetite. Here's a little video of a week that we dedicated to learning about and working with and embracing AI.
Welcome, everyone. I think this is a super exciting kind of start to what I think is a new part of our journey.
This is such an exciting event for Nuix, something that we've been imagining for quite some time.
I love working with AI every single day. I mean, the potential for automation for my work is incredible.
For example, I could ask for clarification. I could ask for insights I missed.
Learning about new tech, experimenting, and coming with that open, curious mindset has been really, really fantastic.
We haven't even reached its full potential yet. I love the fact that Nuix is fully embedded. We've already embraced it.
I think it means we're going to get better results for our customers faster.
We believe that AI can make every decision that every human makes at Nuix incrementally better. 1, 2, 3, 4% better.
We rolled out our Innovation Week across all three of our our regions, the US, Europe, and the APAC regions, leaving no one behind. The winning concepts have been tested and ruggedized and will be incorporated, some of them, into our products, representing the rapid ideation that AI enables us to do. We are truly practicing what we preach. At the same time, we released our ethical AI policy, which guides our use of AI and ensures that we use it as a force for good. We also share what we've learned with our customers and have run information sessions for non-executives and executive leaders of other corporations. I fundamentally believe that this technology has a power to enhance, not replace humans, and I want all the humans around me to be right at the forefront of this change. Does this mean I'm deaf to the concerns about AI or blind to the risks? Does it mean that I'm not worried about entry-level jobs are going to be impacted on the eve of my own daughters joining the workforce? Change does not come about without upheaval, without disruption. But I'm unapologetically optimistic about the asymmetric upside to this tectonic shift in our way of working. Why? Because our purpose guides us. We're leaning forward into the change, but leaning on our purpose, being a force for good to guide us through it. So here we are, with the winds in our hair, or some of our hairs, riding the wave of the biggest technological transformation in human history. And we're not just passengers, we're co-pilots, shaping the direction of this incredible journey. The companies that will thrive in the next decade will not be those that resist AI. They'll be those that embrace it thoughtfully, ethically, and purposefully. They'll be those that understand that AI isn't about replacing the human element, but about amplifying human potential. And this is our commitment to you, our customers, our partners, and our community. We'll continue to innovate with AI at the forefront, but we will never lose sight of the human beings who use our technology to solve the world's most complex problems. Whether you're investigating financial crimes, protecting national security, ensuring corporate compliance, or leading enormous e-discovery projects, our AI-enhanced products will give you superhuman capabilities while keeping human judgment at the center of every decision. Ladies and gentlemen, we stand at a crossroads. We can fear the future, or we can shape it. We can resist the change, or we can lead it. At Nuix, we've made our choice. But this isn't just about Nuix. This is about all of you in this room. You are leaders in your organizations, in your industries, and in your communities. The decisions that you make about AI in the coming months will determine not just your success, but the kind of future we are building together. So I challenge you, don't just adapt to the AI revolution, lead it. Don't just use AI, shape it. Don't just survive the change, thrive in it. Because as I say to those of you around me, it's AI or die, baby.